Hello everyone, today's menu will be oven baked drumsticks. These chickens are juicy, tender, and full of flavors. So if you're ready, let's get baking. These are the seasoning I'll be using today. And I will have all the exact measurements in the description box down below. And I also have olive oil. Okay, in a small bowl, I'm going to add in the seasoning. Here I have some smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper and chili powder, along with some salt and black pepper. And then I'm just going to give it a whisk. Okay, this looks good. And then I'm just going to set this aside for just a little bit. Make sure to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And then here I have a large bowl with some drumsticks. And I'm going to toss in some oil. Just all over the chicken. And then with my clean hands, I'm just going to go and give it a nice coat. And if you don't care for drumstick, of course, you can definitely use, chicken thighs if you prefer to. I just love drumstick because, they're just so easy to work with. Okay, this looks good. And then I'm going to sprinkle on the seasoning that we made earlier. Just all over the chicken. Okay. And then I'm just going to go ahead with my hands again and just combine them to get the chicken nice and coated. And if you don't want your hands to get dirty, then you can go ahead and just use a Ziploc bag and just throw everything in there and shake it up. Whichever way you want to do it is still gonna be delicious and turn out wonderful. Okay, these looks good and nice and coated. Okay, in the largest baking sheet that I have, I'm just going to place the chicken. And if you don't have a large baking sheet, then, just use what you have on hand. Okay. And then these are ready to go into the oven. Here is the end results of the oven baked drumsticks. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.